Maxtop is also able to accommodate undermount sinks. Follow these key steps in order to achieve the perfect installation. Secure your jig and clamp firmly to the worktop. Using a 40 grit router bit, work the router around the contours of the jig, cutting through only the quartz. Now using a fine router bit, work the router around the jig again to create a smoother finish. Use a jigsaw to remove the centre unwanted piece of worktop. Use a reverse side jig to cut out the larger aperture of the underside of the worktop. Scrape off the remaining core using a chisel and craft knife. Sand the inside of the aperture using 50 and 800 grit pads. Drainer grooves can be achieved to a maximum depth of 4 mm. Using a jig and router with a 40 grit coarse bit, working carefully from the inside of the aperture into the worktop. Grooves should be polished with hand finishing pads, being careful to remove dust with a damp cloth. Finally, secure the sink in place using metal clips.